Hey everyone. Sorry. So I just got Davy and Angel off to school, and I'm just waiting for Gabby to come out so I can get her off to school. But I want everybody to leave me a comment down below what the temperature is where you live. Right now, with the wind chill, we are at minus 35. It is freezing. I hope if it's cold where yous are, please dress warm. Stay inside if you don't have to go outside, and just stay safe because it is freezing. Like, just over across the border in Detroit, everything is shut down there. Schools, the malls, everything. But here in Windsor, everything is open. School buses, the schools, everything. So, but there's Gabby, so I gotta get her off to school. Is Gabby hiding?
Yeah, I know.
Okay, shh.
Under here? Nope.
Nope.
Where is she?
I don't know, but you better find her. She has a surprise for you.
Over here? Nope. Gabby! I know. Where are
Okay,
you?
shh. I know, just quiet.
Oh, do you see something moving?
David.
What? Where is it? Oh, I think I gave her a little found it!
Was she hiding? Are you hiding in there?
Yeah.
Holy, you sneaky little bum.
Surprise! Gabby. Mom said.
Oh. She doesn't know.
She doesn't know.
What is it?
Gabby, why did I bring Angel here? Ask her.
Yay! 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 Tomorrow, okay, David? Yay!
Hi,
So Mickey Mouse can put Mason on the time. You have to let him and David, get off the closet!
Okay, get off of it, David. Yep, off of it.
You're too big. And you lied to my mom.
How?
Hi. Just been my pop and he over there. He came out and he lied to my mom.
I did?
No.
Oh, Angel did. Oh, yeah, we don't want to lie. No lying. Always tell the truth. Nope, she's not going to tell no lies.
I think I see something.
It's okay. Just be very careful. One person at a time out there. Okay, let David go first.
Yeah, I'm gonna move last.
Okay, move in case you get... Okay. Okay. Okay, I'll hold it for a minute. Okay, whoever's going, you don't want the hot water on you, so you gotta move.
You're first.
Okay, yeah, that's fine, but let them know what you're doing.
Hey guys, we are doing the boiling
Put it.
water with the freezing cold
Put
air.
your hand in the snow; it'll feel better.
So I get like we put it in the air and then into ice.
Ice and mist.
Yeah. So Anthony will be going first.
Okay, back up. Whoa! Whoa!
Mike's turn.
Did the hot water get on your finger, Davy? Whoa! Do you want to throw it? You want Anthony to help you throw it?
I want to.
Okay, just a minute. Okay, you come over here. Here, you hold it. Don't put your fingers on here. Just okay, hold it for a second. Come with Mama. You and you'll come over here. Come on. Come with Mama.
David burnt his fingers and it hurts. It went through his gloves.
You want me to throw it?
Okay.
Let's see a little bit more.
Okay.
Guys, he's very scared to touch it.
2, 3, throw it. Whoa! Did you see it?
Guys, he threw the cup.
Hey, so we came in and Davy was so upset.
No.
Yes, you were, because you
I
put...
hate that one.
Okay. He was upset because some of the water spilled on his finger. He had gloves on, so his finger is fine. But I tried to explain to him, let Mama hold the cup until it's ready to almost time to throw it, and then I'll give it to you. But he wanted to be a big boy and carried himself. So when he walked up there, and it spilt some on his finger. So he was mad and upset. He's still mad and upset, but he's also not feeling well today. He's getting a bit of a cold, and then his lips are all chapped and they're sore, and so I'm gonna get him ready he's ready for bed. He's about to jump in the shower, and so I don't know if I will let him do the challenge again another day or just kind of pass on that one. I know he wants to do the water in the water balloons with the food coloring and let them freeze. Take the balloon off and you get the big balls of ice. I know he wants to do that, so that's safer. Maybe I'll do that with him. And that, and Angel's over at Alicia's and that, so it's gonna be just me and him. So I think it's bath time, pajama time, and I think maybe we will sit and have a snack and cuddle and watch a movie. I made him some taco pasta, so he really liked that. It was a recipe I got off Facebook, so yeah, he really liked that. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go and get him bathed and time to relax. So if you haven't already, hit that button below, hit the subscribe button, and we will see you tomorrow.